Oh guys, the enemy's team won. I did 303,000 means 3 million damage. Wow, all done. 7? I killed 7 helicopters. Oh dude, this is more than 100. Is this a torpedo or what? The next floor is 18, dude. Attic. Is this our side? Yep. Okay, one more big. Okay. Seriously, what? Two of our ships, our team's ships, are only remaining. Dude, I should not make a video on this. I should make a video on township. Better idea. Next time I'm going to do this. One video of one game once a time. Okay. Confirmed. Yes! Yes! How much damage? 182. Yeah. But the steam was pretty high. So I'll play a quick battle and then I'll play. Reward only for battles are Oh guys, after this,
मुझे daily alerts भी भेजता है how my portfolio is performing. Sector wise recommendation भी देता है कि what
after
to
this
buy,
and
what to sell.
I'll end the
So आपको
video.
ना फिर से बता देता हूँ. It's called IND Money and पिछले 8
So
महीने से मैं
and
इसको
then I'll
use कर रहा हूँ.
record and township. Yep, because I have have made some. Sorry. So I'm going to end the video. So bye. Peace out.